What's up guys, Steve the Graphics Guy here. Today I'm gonna bring you along printing a production project, cutting it out on the Suma, and hopefully installing it out in the field. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so we got the media loaded onto the printer. Today's choice of material is going to be 3M's IJ180 CV3, and that's going to be paired with 8915, which we'll get to at some point later. And let me show you what I got going on over here. Alright, so this is what the staircase is gonna look like when it's done. We're doing this lighter green film here, which is a specific Pantone color, and I've got all of it nested into this, which is gonna fit onto a 60-inch roll. So I'm gonna send this to the printer and it's gonna do its thing, and we'll get started here. What's up guys, Steve the Graphics Guy here, and this is a continuation of yesterday's production work. Today we are doing the installation, and I already brought my stuff inside. I almost forgot to video this, but we're about to get started. So let's jump right into it. Alright, let's get this install started. So I made this giant cardboard template on the Suma as well, and that helped me get all the positioning that I needed. Otherwise there would have been a whole bunch of measuring involved here, and we did not have time for that. So met with the client, started laying all this down pretty quickly, and only had a little bit of railing to go around. Otherwise everything was super flat and easy. And let's take a look at the finished result. that's a wrap for today. I appreciate you guys watching today's video. If you have any comments, drop them below. If you haven't done already, please hit that subscribe button, hit me with a like, and share this video to your friends. I appreciate it. All right, we'll see you in the next one.